New generation autonomous hard-kill anti-drone system. RapidDart X-4T rocket-based high-speed interception drone. Equipped with an AI intelligent tracking module specially designed for interception. Built-in 6T plus computing chip. Can accurately lock onto 2x to meter level targets from 1 kilometer away. Aerodynamic design of ultra-lightweight rocket. The maximum flight altitude of the aircraft can reach 3,000 meters, with an effective load of 500 grams. With a speed of up to 300 kilometers per hour, the acceleration is rapid and the impact is controllable. Accurately obtain directional type, speed, and heading information. Capable of fully automatic operation after launch, with immediate autonomous search upon locking within the field of view. Guided by AI throughout the flight, complete autonomous dive pursuit. Zero manual intervention throughout the entire process. Adapt to various complex scenarios and deeply meet security needs, supporting customization for multiple scenarios. Build a comprehensive and three-dimensional exclusive low-altitude defense line in the core area. RapidDart X-4T high-speed intelligent fully automatic protection of airspace safety.